Hello! To add fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into your settings, then scroll down until you find security and privacy. You go in here, and right here you have biometrics. You press it, and here you have fingerprints. Then you go in here and you have to unlock your phone. Remember to, if you want to add your fingerprint to your phone, you have to have any lock screen method first. For example, PIN or password, anything. Simply just to have your fingerprint one. So now you just simply have to press Add Fingerprint, and right here you have the instruction of how to scan your finger to make it your fingerprint. Let's begin. Alright, we're almost done. It was a little bit tricky, so you have to be patient, and you have your fingerprint added. You can also add another one if you'd like, or you can simply just press done. Simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.